So where our graph database is being used, I'm going through a very visual exercise because I think it's the best way to understand graphs. And I could put a bunch of words on there, but we're going to just look at more at the visuals. And so let's look at Customer 360. Now, the reason I put Customer 360 and recommendation engine in here and then pointed it to LinkedIn is because essentially that's the same thing. You have a person, in the previous one, we had a patient, right? And in this one, we have a person. And so this person has a bunch of information that they're dishing up at that person at runtime. You don't have to wait, minutes to see this. You're actually seeing the 360 of yourself in real time. And so under the hood is actually a graph database. And so this you might be like, whoa, this is a lot of nodes, but what they're doing is using analytics to break that down. And they're doing that with the feeds, and we'll go into that a little bit deeper. But essentially, if you think about LinkedIn, it is a 360 platform, all centered around you. What Tigergraph allows you to do is you could be the next LinkedIn, you could be the next Google, you could be the next whatever you want to be. These big, huge tech companies had their own custom graph solutions, and they pre-built those. Now we democratized graph databases and allow anyone to have the same power that the big companies have.